In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Freshbooks with PayPal. To begin, you need to log into your Freshbooks account. Open your web browser, go to freshbooks.com, and sign in with your usual login details. When the dashboard loads, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct account. This is important because the payment integration will be added to the company account you are currently viewing. Next, we are going to find the Settings area. In the left side menu, look for a gear icon that represents Settings. Click that gear icon. This will open the configuration page where you can manage billing and payment options. If you do not see the gear icon right away, double-check that you are looking at the left navigation panel rather than the main page content. Once you are in Settings, you will see a list of options. From there, select Accept Online Payments. Click that option to move into the section specifically for connecting payment providers. This step matters because it guides you to the area where Freshbooks communicates with external payment services like PayPal. Now you will connect PayPal. On the screen, find the PayPal connection option and click Connect. After you click Connect, Freshbooks will prompt you to authenticate the connection to PayPal. This is the moment where your Freshbooks invoices can be tied to PayPal so customers can pay online. Make sure you are ready to complete the login flow that appears next. The PayPal connection will ask for the email address associated with your PayPal business account. Enter the email address that you normally use for your PayPal business profile. Take your time here and confirm it is correct, because using the wrong PayPal account can cause payments to go to the incorrect place. After you have entered the email address, click Login. This will continue the PayPal authorization process. Depending on your PayPal security settings, you may be asked to confirm a login or verify your identity. Follow the prompts shown by PayPal so the connection can be approved. Once PayPal accepts the connection, you can return to Freshbooks and confirm that the integration is properly set up. At this point, Freshbooks should indicate that PayPal is connected and ready to use for online payments. If there is a status message, read it carefully so you know whether the connection completed successfully. Finally, as a quick check before you move on, review that you are still in the Accept Online Payments area within Freshbooks. You want to ensure that PayPal remains listed as a connected payment method. If you ever need to adjust or reconnect later, that same settings path is where you would start again. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to integrate Freshbooks with PayPal and enable online payments from your invoices.